Hey guys, today I'll show you exactly how to resize images on Wix in just a few quick steps. I'll be showing you this in the web editor. First, you need to get into your Wix editor. Head to your Wix dashboard where you see all your sites. Find the site you want to work on and click the Edit Site button on the site's card. The Wix editor will load up and you'll see your website canvas. Now you need to select the image you want to resize. Simply click on the image anywhere on your page. When you do this, you'll see handles appear around the edges of the image. These are small squares or circles at each corner and along each edge. You'll also see blue selection indicators showing the image is selected and ready to edit. Here's where you actually resize it. To change the size while keeping your image looking natural, grab one of the corner handles, that's the handles at any of the four corners of the image. Click and hold on a corner handle, then drag it inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it bigger. As you drag, you'll see the image resize in real time. The corner handles automatically maintain the original proportions of your image, so it won't look stretched or squashed. You can also use the edge handles. Those are the ones on the top, bottom, left, and right edges. But be aware that dragging these lets you stretch the image freely, which can distort it. For most situations, stick with the corner handles to keep your images looking good. Once you've got it the size you want, just release the mouse button. The resize is applied instantly to that image on your page. A couple of things worth knowing: the resize only affects this specific instance of the image on this page. If you've used the same image elsewhere on your site, you'll need to resize those separately. Also, this doesn't change the original file in your media manager, so you can always add the full-size version somewhere else if you need it. If you need to add an image before you can resize one, click Add Elements in the left panel and choose Image to place one on your page first. And don't forget to click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor to make your changes go live on your actual website. And that's how to resize images on Wix. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.